Hi, I'm Bhavna and I here welcome Zurich's team to showcase our duplex apartment and golf estates. So the one which we'll showcase right now, it's a 3 BHK spread across 5,000 square feet. So it's a duplex apartment and now we are going to have a look of it. So starting with the main entrance, for security reasons we have the video door phone. So this is the 5th level checking that we have. One at the main entrance where we have the boom barriers. Secondly, you can only enter through RFIDs. Third checking we have at the main entrance. Fourth we have it at the lift area, and this is the 5th checking system that we have here. Moving forward inside, so this is the display screen that we'll see once the person is there at the main entrance. So this will be the foyer area inside. Moving further, we enters into the living and dining. So the double-heighted living room, giving it a grand, extremely exquisite lifestyle. So moving further, this side we have the dining area. So dining area is just opposite to the kitchen that we have. So we'll move inside the kitchen. So this modular kitchen has been designed considering the basic need of a person, of a family. So proper storage, proper space that you require. So one side we have wherein we can focus more on the cooking part, and another side we can more focus on the utensils part. With this kitchen we get 5 fixtures, 5 appliances fitted inside. So we have a chimney, we have hob, we have a microwave oven here. You also get a double door fridge. So this side we have the fridge. Then we have a dishwasher. So these 5 appliances you get inside the kitchen. So the chimney, hob and microwave are of Miele brands. Then we have Siemens as a brand for the refrigerator. Moreover, for much more storage, we have some closet area fitted here also. So if somebody is concerned for the storage, then we have ample of space inside the kitchen. Further, kitchen takes us to the utility area, where we have the digisets also, along with the servant room and its washroom. So this side we have the servant room, wherein there is a provision for storage also, and the washroom for the servant. So in the utility area we can keep the washing machine, we have the space to dry clothes and all. So nicely done up utility plus the servant area we have. Moreover, we also have separate entry and exit for the servants, so they don't have to enter from the main door. We have the entry and exit separate here. There is also another balcony different from the utility one from the kitchen for proper passage of air and ventilation. So on the lower level we have a powder room. So let's suppose guests are coming, they don't have to use any other washroom of the bedroom, they can utilize this place. So the first bedroom, the guest room of this apartment is on the lower level. So nicely designed with proper glass facade given here, which overlooks the 2-hole golf course that we have in the center. The flooring will be engineer wooden here. So this takes us to a closet area. So you get ample of space to make your closet. So we here have made an L shape. You can design it the way you want it to be. It can also be merged with the dressing area as well. Then the washroom. So the washroom will be of Kohler fittings and Toto brands we have for fixtures. The glass partition, it will be exactly the way you are seeing it here. So the drawing area is further extended with a balcony which overlooks the 2-hole golf course here. So while standing here at the balcony, you see the entire project. You get to see the main center of this project, which is the golf course. It also overlooks the clubhouse that we have, the club VIP opposite to us, and the main entrance of the project also. So again, on the lower level, we just saw the dining area, the living area, and on the other side we saw the guest room with proper closet area and the washroom. Now we'll move further to the upper level of this duplex, wherein we have the master bedroom and the kids room. So here we are. It's a nicely designed lounge area that we have created. Maybe your kids want to watch TV and maybe you want to spend a private time from the lower floor, which is the guest area. So you can have your TV here. So moving that side, we have the second bedroom of the apartment. we can utilize as a kids bedroom also. Again, nicely done glass facade given so that we can get proper sunlight. Glass facade is overlooking the center golf course that we have. Moving further, this room has its own attached closet area and the washroom. So the entire unit will be centrally air conditioned. So we have the VRV units fitted in the utility area. So moving further to the master bedroom of this duplex. Here we have the master bedroom. Proper spacious room wherein you can have your bed, you can get proper space to move around and live around. Further, master bedroom has a separate dressing area and a separate running wardrobe. This will be the washroom for the master bedroom wherein we have his and her wash basins of Toto brand. Then we have a private bathtub. So private bathtub with the shower area. This will be the balcony area for the master bedroom. On the upper level, we saw a lounge area with the kids' room and the master bedroom. So this was about the 3 BHK duplex that we saw. Now the most exquisite part of this particular duplex is the terrace area. So I am going to show you the terrace area that we have. It's almost 1000 square feet of terrace area which you get exclusively with this duplex apartment. So this is the terrace area which I was talking about. So this particular terrace is hanging exactly in the center, wherein on the one side we get to see Fairway East and on the other side we get to see Fairway West. So both the golf course are visible from this particular terrace, and this terrace will be your own private area. Basically, it can be your personal space wherein you can watch, you can put a projector and watch match, you can spend some good evening time with your family, your friends, and you can also host a good party here. So this was all about the 5000 square feet of duplex apartment that we saw. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel. Moreover, for any inquiry or visits, you can contact the undersigned. Thank you.